Hey guys, in this quick tutorial, I'll show you how you can create a bill in QuickBooks, so let's get started. First, log into your QuickBooks Online account. Once you're on the home page, look to the left-hand menu and click on Plus New. From the options that appear, select Bill under the Vendors section. Now you'll see a bill entry form. Begin by selecting the vendor from whom you've received the bill. Next, review or add the terms this sets when the payment is due, such as net 30 or due on receipt. Enter the bill date, and QuickBooks will automatically calculate the due date based on the terms you've chosen. Next, move on to the details of the bill. In the Category Details section, you can assign expenses like utilities or office supplies. If the bill is for products, you can use the Item Details section to enter specific items purchased. Add the amount for each entry and, if applicable, include sales tax. Once everything is filled in, double-check your entries to make sure all the information is accurate. When you're ready, click on Save and Close if you're done, or Save and New if you want to enter another bill. And that's it. If you found this video helpful, consider giving it a like and subscribe.